अथ तन्त्रोक्तं देवीसूक्तम्। नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियताः प्रणतास्मताम्। अथ थास्मः प्रणः तंत्र उक्तम। तंत्रोक्तम is a compound word. Devi Suktam is a compound word. Namaha becomes Namo because of Sandhi. Devyai Mahadevyai is a compound word. Shivayai Satatam Namaha. Namaha Visarga changes to Upadhamaniya. Prakrityai Namah Prakrityai because of Sandhi. Bhadrayai Bhamaha Pranaha. Niyataha Visarga changes to Upadhamaniya. Pranataha Niyataf Pranataha because of Sandhi. Pranataha Visarga changes to Sude Sma. Pranatasma because of Sandhi. Tam. Atha Tantroktam Devi Suktam. Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatan Namaha. Namah Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatav Pranatasmatam. रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः। ज्योत्स्नायै चेन्दुरूपिण्यै सुखायै सततं नमः। रौद्रायै नमः becomes namo because of sandhi. Nityayai गौर्यै धात्र्यै धास्मः प्रणः. And please note it is tr not tra, so it is only half t and r. So Dhatryai. Namaha becomes Namo because of Sandhi. Namaha. Jyotsnayai cha Indurupinyai is a compound word. Chendurupinyai because of Sandhi. Sukhayai Khasmaha Pranaha. Satatam Namaha. Raudrayai Namo Nityayai Gauryai Dhatryai Namo Namaha. Jyotsnayai Chendurupinyai Sukhayai Satatan Namaha. Kalyanyai Pranatam Vridhyai Siddhyai Kurmo Namo Namaha. Nairrityai Bhubhrital Lakshmyai Sharvanyai Te Namo Namaha. Kalyanyai Pranatam Vridhyai. The second dha is Mahapranaha. Siddhyai. Again, second dha is Mahapranaha. Kurmaha becomes Kurmo because of Sandhi. Namaha becomes Namo because of Sandhi. Namaha. Nairrityai. Bhubhritam. Both bhas are Mahapranaha. Lakshmyai. Now, Bhubhritam ends with a m, which takes the form of an anuswara. It is followed by l, Lakshmi, la. So, the anuswara transforms to a nasal sound of la. It is l. So, it becomes Bhubhrital Lakshmi. So, it is a half la with a nasal sound. Bhubhrital Lakshmi, Sharvanyai Te Namaha becomes Namo because of Sandhi. Namaha. Kalyanyai Pranatam Vridhyai Siddhyai Kurmo Namo Namaha. Nairrityai Bhubhrital Lakshmyai Sharvanyai Te Namo Namaha. Durgayai Durgaparayai Sarayai Sarvakarinyai Khyaatyai Tathaiva Krishnayai Dhumrayai Satatan Namaha. Durgayai Durgaparayai is a compound word. Sarayai Sarvakarinyai again is a compound word. Khyaatyai Khas Mahapranaha. Tatha Eva Tathaiva because of Sandhi. Tatha, the second tha is Mahapranaha. Krishnayai Dhumrayai dha is Mahapranaha. Satatam Namaha. Durgayai Durgaparayai सारायै सर्वकारिण्यै ख्यात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः। अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतास्तस्यै नमो नमः। नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः। अतिसौम्य अतिरौद्रायै altogether. Atisaumyatiraudrayai is a compound word. Nataha visarga changes to su there. Tasyai natas tasyai because of sandhi. Namaha becomes namo because of sandhi. Namaha namaha becomes namo because of sandhi again. Jagat pratisthayai is a compound word. Thas mahapranah. Devyai krityai namaha becomes namo namaha. अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतास्तस्यै नमो नमः। नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः।